We just landed, and the first thing I see is, just see who I saw. Hey guys, what's up? So I've just reached my aunt's house and I'm here. So I came to the bathroom because I have to freshen up and then go down because it's been like 2 days since I've been traveling. But that's the funny part, you know, like although I left at 31st, I reached on 31st even though it's 2 days ever since I'm traveling. But I'm here, I'm in the US, and it feels like this vlog life, you know, all these vloggers I used to watch, everything like feels like so real. It's coming together. I'm so excited, and yeah, so I've reached Washington and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and see you soon for my next vlogs. You know what? It's like 1 o'clock and I've come down. You know why? Wait, I'm going to show you guys. It's 1 o'clock. And you know for what I've come down for? Wait, I'm going to place it here. And I'm sitting here. Oh wait, proper lighting. Place it here. Chair here. And you know what I'm gonna do? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now, guess where I am? I'm in the United States. So I've come down to Washington DC. There's this, I'm starting my day 1. So we are walking around in her community area where their residential area is located. So I'm exploring today morning, so I thought I should take you guys because it's so beautiful. So I was seeing, and yeah, let's go explore.
I've been working day and night, just trying to get famous. Stay ahead or stay behind. Why don't we just roll with this? I'm a sucker for your swagger. Only Tuesday nights available. We'll party till mañana, and then I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. 'Cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Give a little love to a hit song machine.
So I'm walking around the community. It's so homely. It feels very safe, you know. That's the best. And around it's so beautiful. And every house has its own essence. Like wow, did I just see a lot of giraffes? Now I'm just gonna head to have some food. I'm just wearing like homely clothes. And I'm gonna have food, and then after that go get ready, and then we'll be going out. So that's the plan today, and I think we are exploring a mall, so we are gonna do that. Let's see what the day has, and night we are going out for dinner. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna see you guys soon. so I don't know where to put my, where should I show you guys? I think, wait. My room's a mess, so don't mind, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. Beige top, purple pants, purple puffer jacket. I got this from H&M. I loved it so much that it wasn't available in my size, but I bought it because it's worth it. Yeah, I think it's a good one. I think I look cute. Okay, see you guys.
Lose my mind, just trying to get famous. Boy, you